Hello, fellow senior designers. This is Backyard Brew Labs. I'm Kevin Melroy, and Matt, Phoebe, and Katie will be discussing what they've been working on uh, since we've gotten back from break. Um, Unfortunately, we are not where we hoped we'd be at this point. We are still in the design process, hoping to be done by the first week of February, so next week. We missed our mentor meeting. There was a time mix up um, on one end, and um, so we'll have to meet up next week. And we're discussing new ideas we have about a vertical layout instead of horizontal. Um, on top of that, you'll see the Gantt chart that we attached on our discussion board post. We'll have an updated view of January, February, March, and April as far as what we kind of like would ideally like to strive for. Um, so by the end of February, we want to have basically half our construction done. So they will be rapidly progressing here in the next month or so. So a lot of work to do, but we're excited for the task.
Hi, I'm Phoebe. Over winter break, we actually had a design pivot, and we originally were going to have a horizontal design where all the tanks were right next to each other, but now we are actually going to have it vertical, and that's actually going to help us because we won't have to put energy into pumping the wort down from the top tank or from one tank to another. It will just naturally flow. And another thing we decided with that is to have a spout on the top tank so we don't have to worry about pumping it just over the top lip of the pot. And that's it. Great.
Yeah, it wouldn't be wrong.
Hi, I'm Matt, and this week I worked on the parts list a little bit. We found a temperature sensor that is waterproof, as well as some copper coil we're going to use for the immersion cooling system, and the right kind of valves that we're going to need in order to seal the fermenter. I also did some research into sous vide cooking, which is a style of cooking that involves temperature control and water circulation, so we thought it could be really applicable to brewing beer, but it turns out there are some problems with getting the mash stuck in the circulator, but I still think a lot of the sous vide cooking techniques could be applicable for brewing beer.
Hi, I'm Katie. So we have been working on a parts list for our design that we finalized over break, and we are working on a purchase list which has the best prices and places to buy them, and we'll be going over that with our mentor Michael Gorel in the future.